breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, the rapid inhalation and exhalation leads to the increase of oxygenation in the lungs, in the body, increase exchange of gases like oxygen and CO2 in your lungs, and this helps increase the oxygenation in the bloodstream. I'm sure you would have realized by now that this is Bhastrika or bellow breath. Keep your hands like this. इसको ऐसे मुट्ठी बंद करके इस तरीके से, ठीक है. Thumbs will be out. Bring it to your shoulders. अपने कंधों के पास लेकर के आना है, ठीक है. हम जब सांस अंदर लेंगे ना, we will breathe in and we will raise our hands, okay. And when we will breathe out, we will bring our hands back. When we will raise our hand, we will open it like see. I hope I am visible. 1, खुल गया हाथ. 2, breathe in, breathe out. और ये नाक से ही अपनी सांस को छोड़ना है, ठीक है. Like this. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Clear? This is one of the best way to regulate your respiratory organ. I would suggest you to do this Bhastrika. Somehow this is not possible, you have any problems in your hand or shoulders or something and you want the benefits of it, then you can just sit and practice it this way. I hope this is clear. Do at least 15 rounds or maybe for 5 minutes. You will feel the burn in your stomach and in your chest. Don't worry. जब बर्निंग सेंसेशन ज़्यादा फील हो, थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाएं, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट ले लीजिए, उसके बाद स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट अगेन. दिस विल बैलेंस योर नर्वस सिस्टम. दिस विल ब्रिंग पीस टू योर माइंड, जो कि हम इतना ढूंढ रहे हैं आजकल के टाइम पे. वेयर इज पीस? This will help you tranquilize your disturbed mind, disturbed brain, and I would suggest to practice this in early morning. इसको खाना खाने के बाद बिल्कुल भी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना है, very strictly. जो इसके पहले मैंने बताया उज्जाई प्राणायाम या भ्रामरी प्राणायाम, you can practice this before your bed. You can also do this, but make sure that your food is digested, because this helps in the toning of our digestive organs that lies here. तो अगर आपने खाना खाया होगा, if your stomach is full of food, this may create hindrance, and more than the positive effect, this may create negative effect. Also, if you are suffering from asthma or any respiratory organ problem, any respiratory organ issues in your body, or bronchitis, or in general any surgical problem, you do not have to practice this, including TB. अगर आपको tuberculosis भी है तो भी इसको प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना है, हालांकि बहुत सारे contraindications होते हैं. तो I will write it down in the comment section. आप वहाँ देख लीजिएगा अपने benefits के लिए, या फिर आप search कर लीजिएगा. And for the pregnant ladies, please practice this under the guidance of a competent yoga teacher. Okay? If you are completely fit, healthy body, में कोई issue नहीं है, surgery नहीं है, बस stress है, बहुत anxiety है, depression है, in that case this is the best pranayam for you to practice, and you will feel the magic.